Look what happens when you put onion in your hair every day. The onion is an edible plant that possesses great properties. It is a food used to cure from simple colds to heart disease. This plant has a number of incredible properties. Among them we can mention, it does not contain cholesterol and is low in sodium, being a very light food and ideal for diets. It is also an excellent source of fiber which activates the digestive system and keeps it healthy. It also contains anti-inflammatory properties, which makes onion a very effective treatment in the treatment of colds, nasal congestion, infections and some pain caused by inflammation. And finally, because of its high content of vitamin C, it helps to cure different diseases. One of them is blood pressure, and to avoid blood clotting. The most common and used remedies of this are, remove warts. Can be removed by applying onion and vinegar juice on the affected part. It must be constant with the application. To combat dandruff and hair loss, we make frictions on the head. We will combat dandruff and our hair with this juice applied with massage on the scalp. Can be used between 2 and 3 times a day. Remedy with onion to calm the cough and relieves the flu or bronchitis. It is mixed in equal parts, onion juice and a spoonful of honey. Take 4 tablespoons daily. Onion and honey remedies and benefits of onion. As a remedy for insect bites, for its antibacterial properties, it becomes a good disinfectant against bites or bites of animals, especially insects. You should apply in the affected area the liquid of a fresh crushed onion. You must remember that raw onions cannot be ingested in large quantities if you suffer from heartburn. I hope the information presented has been of interest and help. I ask